When you stand in front of the mirror, have you ever felt dissatisfied and regretful? Inner criticism, like an invisible chain, binds the true light of oneself. However, the moment of self-accession is like a spring breeze in the cold winter, reliberating the frozen heart. Acceptation is not compromise, but recognizing the beauty hidden in each deficiency, so that we can learn to cherish our unique self. Accessiveness is the release of the soul. Criticism is like a shadow, accompanying every step. The sound was heard, but it was all the muttering of shackles. How to abandon this inner whisper? The answer is hidden in the silence of acceptation. To accept yourself, don't just stop at the surface. It's like the earth embraces wind and rain, knowing that every thunder is an opportunity for transformation. There is no need to fight for perfection in your heart, because true freedom comes from letting go of the obsession of comparison. Gently hug, imperfect is perfect. Imperfect, like the moonlight sprinkled slightly mottled, but it also reflects the softness and beauty of life. When you embrace your own shortcomings, they become the most profound chapter in your life story. Just like a lotus flower coming out of the mud without staining, the existence of shortcomings is the driving force of life growth. Only by gently embracing yourself can you witness the true shine of the inner light. The inner light has never been extinguished. The voice of criticism is like a strong wind sweeping away the dust of confidence. But you have noticed that after the wind sets, is there still a light waiting quietly? That light is the true power that does not need to be proved. If you are willing to stop, let the soul settle in the present, the noise of criticism will gradually dissipate, and the real self will emerge in peace. Give up criticism, and your heart is in full bloom. Criticism is an endless shackle, and acceptation is the key. When you are willing to let go of your strict requirements for yourself, the flower of life blooms quietly in the heart. Put it down every time. It's all a journey to re-understand yourself. In this journey, there is no need for perfection. Just smile to yourself sincerely. It is the greatest achievement. Accession is the most gentle embrace to the depths of the heart. Abandoning self-criticism is like a relief, so that life can bloom in peace and wisdom. Remember, only by loving yourself can you embrace the beauty of the world.